So how exactly are you going to improve your GPA by baking the cafe's strawberry chocolate muffin recipe? Well, it all starts right here on Cornell University's About Health page. Wait, what? And their article about study breaks and stress busters. Yeah, if you go into this article and give it a read, you'll find that research shows that taking purposeful breaks anywhere from 5 to 60 minutes from studying to refresh your brain and body will increase your energy, productivity, and ability to focus. They also point out that social media doesn't work very well as a purposeful break. So what in the world does this have to do with baking muffins? Am I just saying this to drive more traffic to collegerecipecafe.com? Well, yeah, but baking does fit the definition of a purposeful break. It says right here, move your body, be creative, and zone out on purpose. That sounds like baking to me. Mixing, decorating, zoning out while the muffins bake. Hey, it sounds like a pretty good fit. But you know what the best part is? That's right. Even if the baking doesn't boost your GPA, you still end up with 12 delicious chocolate strawberry muffins to enjoy during your study breaks. Of course, we have lots of baking recipes for you to check out at the cafe, but for this video, we're just going to focus on how to make these chocolate strawberry muffins. So here's what we're going to bake to take your mind off your studies, so when you come back, you can boost your GPA. So we'll start off by spraying a muffin pan with some cooking spray. And then in a bowl, mix some flour, some cocoa, some sugar. We'll also add some baking powder, some baking soda, and some salt. And we're going to whisk that all together. Wait, what? Whisk? Yeah, it works really well to mix dry ingredients and mix them evenly. All right, so in a separate bowl, we'll crack 2 eggs, add some canola oil, add some strawberry yogurt, whisk that all together, and add those wet ingredients to the dry ingredients till we get this chocolatey mix that also happens to taste really good unbaked. All right, so that goes in the muffin pan. And we're going to top those with some chopped strawberries. Into the oven it goes. And you end up with a dozen gorgeous looking chocolate strawberry muffins. But we're not done yet. We've got to finish those off with some powdered sugar to make them look extra awesome. So there you go. That's how to take your mind off your studies for a bit. So you come back refreshed to help boost your GPA. So what will you bake to boost your GPA? Please share in the comments, or if you bake something, you can tag us at College Recipe Cafe on Instagram. And if you'd like to get this recipe, you'll find it at collegerecipecafe.com. And while you're there, be sure to grab your free cup of recipes. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers.